and welcome to Bar 20 Arms. If you watched our last video, we blew up the computer and the pumpkin with special formulated special dust. We got a DVD player that we got to do the same to. We just haven't. What's wrong? Okay, we can't get enough. We gotta shoot. We gotta blow some more stuff up. That just turns out that's a lot of fun. Very dangerous. So if you plan to do this on your own, be very safe about it. Be smart about it. But we just can't get enough. We gotta blow some more stuff up. We've had a DVD player donated to us. Apparently it don't work no more, so we're gonna blow it to smithereens. And then we got a log. Just an old Heidi, let's see our log. We got a log that a rotten tree, hollow. We're gonna blow it up and see what happens to it. It ought to be really interesting, and we're gonna do this in sequence. So we're not gonna do any talking in between. We're gonna basically shoot our DVD player. We're gonna do that one, then we're gonna drag the debris out of the way, and then stick our log up here and shoot our log. So let's get shooting. Alright, here we are. Nothing left to show you other than some of the material from the DVD actually embedded into the backstop. So it had enough explosive velocity to send it into the backstop and all over the place. We've found pieces 100 yards away in all directions where the explosion happened. But we got that out of our system for now. Maybe we'll do it again here soon. Sure is a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. Come back and see us at Bar 20 Arms.